Welcome, kids. I'm at a cow-nose stingray exhibit. I'm going to be feeding this cutie or one of his friends pretty soon. That's why he's up here. He wants to be fed. Do you know what I'm going to be feeding this cow-nose stingray, boys and girls? Some shrimp. Yes, some shrimp. Yes. There you go. Right in your mouth. Yes. The cownose ray has multiple rows of flattened teeth to help crush things like crab, but I'm going to feed it shrimp.
Oh my goodness! Ooh. Yeah, let me go get some more for you. Here we go. Did you get it? Did you get it? Hi there. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I gotta get it to you. Did you get it there? Did you get it there? Whoa! Oh my goodness. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, look at him. Oh, you feel so good. Yes, you do. I love you too.
A crease in the lobes and a notched head creates a cow nose likeness. That's how it got its name, cownose. Cownose stingrays give birth to one live pup. As soon as the pup is born, it is able to swim and feed on its own. Cownose stingrays are social creatures.